Are you a life coach or healer who's looking to make their first or next 100K in the next year? But you feel stuck giving away your time and energy on free one-on-one consult calls with people who really never sign up. My name is Super Sid,
Marketing Shaman,
and I help life coaches and healers make their first or next 6 figures online with profitable presentations. Don't believe me?
I was frustrated, I was stressed, I was overwhelmed. I wanted to give up. Although Matt said, and he just changed that within seconds.
Don't leave money on the table and do the things that Sid tells you to do.
And the truth is that in 2019, the life coaching business was growing at a faster rate than it had ever grown before. And now, at a faster rate more than ever, more life coaches are getting certified and going out onto the market trying to find clients the old and outdated way, just like everybody else. And the truth is, many life coaches, even after months, many life coaches will sit around and wait for their website to get that magical traffic or for magically your phone to start ringing. The truth is, either way, many end up here, in the dark, wishing and hoping that they could get out there and help people, but never actually able to get out into the light to be able to help and help heal those people who need them. And that's why I put together a brand new live workshop helping life coaches and healers sign up multiple clients with profitable presentations. Kind of like the profitable presentation that we just helped one of our clients have recently. This client was just getting started in her life coaching business with making this specific offer, and when doing one profitable presentation was able to sign up a total of 6. Yeah, you heard me right, 6 total high-paying new clients in just under 90 minutes for her business, sitting at her dining room table. In this workshop, we're gonna go over 3 things. First, we're gonna go over the biggest reason why most life coaches are broke and a specific way that you can overcome it so you can make your first or next 100K as a life coach or healer. Without understanding this piece, finding clients and reaching 6 figures in your life coaching or healing business is going to be very difficult. Kind of like Paul in that video earlier. Paul was 0 for 50 with signing up brand new clients from those free one-on-one consult calls until I met with him, went over with him this specific piece, and then he was able to go out and make multiple sales in just over 2 weeks, totaling over $5,000 for his life coaching business. Next, we'll cover how to set up a profitable presentation ready to show prospects and people who need your help exactly how you can help them. When you get this piece right, the people who need your help, they come in droves. Kind of like our client Mandy from earlier, who reached her first 6 figures in her life coaching business last year. And last, we need to make sure that the people who need our help show up to our presentations so we can help them. But where do we find the people who need our help? The truth is many of those people who need your help are online right now looking for it, looking for you. And in the last part of the training, I'm going to cover with you exactly how to get the online traffic and the people that need your help come running to your presentations, begging you to show them exactly how you can help them. Kind of like an old client of mine who came to us with no list, very little following, and barely any clients, and was able to produce over a $28,000 month in just under 5 months after working with us. And for those people just like me who like to chew on the stuff that they work on in the workshop, after the workshop, I've decided to give you worksheets to work on for during the presentation and after the presentation, a complete workbook, as well as a community of other awakened life coaches and healers, all aiming to get their first or next 6 figures in the next year. So if you want to start signing up multiple high-ticket paying clients for your life coaching and healing business, just like this one from one of our attendees a few weeks ago, then click the button below and register to come to our next live workshop coming up this Wednesday. We'll see you soon. And now, a moment of silence for the people who have not clicked the link yet. What, do you want a high five?